Welcome to Silent Infotech, your reliable partner to improve your Odoo operations. In this video, we're delighted to present you with one of the most effective bulk inventory management Odoo modules, Bulk Transfer Line Import Wizard. If you have hundreds of product transfer lines to deal with, and if you just want to avoid all the manual data entry, this module is a must. We have provided a step-by-step tutorial that covers how to install, configure and use the Bulk Import Wizard Odoo module to import transfer lines directly from your Excel file and save you both time and effort. Let's get started. Step 1. Installation. To get started, go to the Odoo Apps menu. In the search bar, type Bulk Transfer Line Import. Once the module appears, simply click Install. That's it. You're ready to begin. Step 2. Accessing the wizard. Navigate to Inventory Operations Transfers. Open any draft stock transfer you want to update. At the top, click on the Import Transfer Lines button. Step 3. Uploading your file. Inside the wizard, you'll find an option to download a sample XLSX file. Use this template to prepare your product lines. Now, upload your XLSX file directly from your system. Step 4. Choose operation type. You have 3 powerful options. Replace lines replaces all existing lines with the imported ones. Add lines adds new lines or updates quantities if the product already exists. Clean lines removes all existing lines from the transfer. Requires confirmation. Step 5. Final import. Once you've uploaded your file and selected an operation type, simply hit Import. The module will instantly apply the changes to your stock transfer. That's how easy it is to manage bulk transfer lines with the Bulk Transfer Line Import Wizard. Save time, reduce manual entry, and streamline your inventory operations, only with Silent Infotech.